AeroVironment, Nasdaq's GSAVAV sees net comp surge to US 17 million in last quarter. AeroVironment recently experienced significant developments, including a completed 875 million follow-on equity offering and notable revenue increase in its fourth quarter results, with net income rising from $6.05 million to 16.66 million. These financial milestones, alongside the advancement of its Wildcat UAS and the revenue guidance for its fiscal year 2026 projecting substantial growth, likely bolstered the company's share price by 121% in the last quarter. This sharp increase contrasts market's 14% gain over the last year, highlighting AeroVironment's distinct positive movement in a largely positive market. It says, we discovered 3 risks for AeroVironment. 1, doesn't sit too well with us that you should be aware of before investing here. So it looks like they made a chart. It looked like a flow chart, and it's they got uncrewed systems. I don't know if y'all can see it. This is on Yahoo Finance, by the way. You know, look this up anytime you want to in your free time. And then they got loitering, and then it's like munition, I guess, munis something, ... And then it's Mac Ready Works. So they added all the blue together, which totaled 761.50 million. All right, and then it has gross profit 298.03 million. And cost of sales was 463.47 million. Earnings was 48.64 million. Expenses were 249.39 million. So yeah, it looks like the flow chart. The green represents what they earned, the revenue represents what they made, and then yellow was just expenses. So yeah, that's crazy. Rare earth metals are the new gold rush. Find out which 24 stocks are leading the charge. The recent developments at AeroVironment, including the US 875 million follow-on equity offering and significant revenue increases, are poised to influence the company's growth trajectory. These factors could enhance its ability to capitalize on rising international defense spending and drive advancements in unmanned systems. Such financial momentum may positively impact the future revenue and earnings forecasts, aiding the company's competitive positioning in the evolving defense sector. Analyst forecasts reflect annual revenue growth of 46.6 and an increase in profit margins over the next 3 years, partly due to these strategic moves. Over the past 5 years, AeroVironment's total return was 221.21%, demonstrating robust long-term share performance. This growth significantly outpaces the broader market's gains over the same period, indicating the company's distinct upward trajectory. Despite a 121% share price increase in the last quarter alone, the current share price of US 252.4 is just 5.8% above analyst consensus price target of 238.53, suggesting that current market enthusiasm aligns with future earnings potential but leaves limited intermediate upside potential. While equity offering offering supports expansion and research capabilities. It also underscores the importance of achieving anticipated earnings to justify elevated market valuations. The potential synergies from the Blue Halo acquisition and expanding product offerings might enhance the price target reality, but any shortfall in realizing projected revenue growth could impact AeroVironment's ability to meet high expectations embedded in its current prices to sales and PE ratios. As the company navigates government reliance and integration challenges, sustaining this upward momentum will be critical to realizing its projected fiscal performance and maintaining markets' confidence. Gains insights into AeroVironment's future direction by reviewing our growth report. This is the last thing that they are going to say. It says that this article by Simply Wall Street is general in nature. We provide commentary based on historical data and analyst forecasts only using its unbiased methodology, and our articles are not intended to be financial advice. It does not constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any stock and does not take any account to our objectives or financial situations. We aim to bring you long-term focused analysts driven by fundamental data. Note that our analysts may be not factor in the latest price-sensitive company announcements of It be so many words, boy. I'd be like, dang. Okay. Qualitative material. Simply Wall Street has no position in any stocks mentioned. I just want to laugh because, like, I be saying so many words, bro. Y'all don't understand, bro. Like, you really gotta be on point with this. I ain't even gonna count. It feel like I'm really like on the news trying to read this to y'all, and in the back of my head, I'm like, man, don't you mess up on the next word. The next thing I want to talk about, it was something. Oh, they took it away, but basically, there's a hike going on in pricing for the 9-to-5 workers, and I think it's going up to about $24-25 an hour. So, hey, all y'all out there that's working, including me. Not to mention the fact that I will start my own detailing business. Prices are going up. Oh yeah, here you go. All right, so it says millions of workers are getting a raise as new minimum wage laws kick in. All right, here are new minimum wages hikes that take effect this month in cities and states across the U.S. So this is by Carrie Hannon. I feel like I should save this, to be real with you, for another video, but I'm gonna just give y'all my thoughts. $17 is not that's not a lot. We need 20. $40,000 a year is not a lot of money. Like, that is $17 is not it. That's not it. I'm just gonna sit here and let you know. I'm gonna let you know right now. $17, that's not the wave. That's not how. Nah. It should be 20. At least 20. You know what I'm saying? Like, people be, bro, do you realize that people really be out here busting their tails trying to make sure that they do this job for Amazon, or they do this job for FedEx, or they do this job for whatever company that they work for. Whole time you getting underpaid and undercut and headbutted, and I'm talking about, man, we getting played out here. You know what I'm saying? So I think that they should take in consideration that $17 is not a lot. That's not, bro. Like, that's terrible, bro. Like, I was making 17 before the pandemic. It's now 2025, and they talking about $17.50 is gonna be the new thing. Like, nah, bro, just make it 18, man. Make it $20, man. What? Think about it, bro. People, we work, bro, from January to December. This individual person doesn't even see. They don't even see the money that they like. I know I'm a king. I've been saying the same thing over and over, but if you know what I know, then you will be like, wow. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're gonna talk about this in about 5 to 10 years, and we're gonna say minimum wage was $17. They're gonna be like, wow, that's nothing, man. We needed to grow, man. We needed to get more, man. Y'all need $20 an hour, man. So I think that's what I'm gonna hit y'all with. You know what I'm saying? When y'all come work for my company, I'm gonna make sure y'all paid and y'all straight, man. At least $40,000 a year, bro. Like $17 is like what, 37? You really gotta think about it. Don't just look at $17 an hour. How much is that a year? And don't forget they're going to tax you. Other than that, let's go ahead and end this video. I'll see y'all in the next video. It's your boy Super Rich JL checking out with another one. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any financial advice, or if you have anything that you would like to give me on advice for my channel, what I need to work on, or what did you get out of this whole article? What do you think about my transition into just talking about financial literacy? Anything that goes on with those things, man, let me know. Let me know how y'all feel, because I know a lot of y'all are like, y'all want the reactions and stuff like that. After I got a copyright infringement, I said, you know what, it's not even worth it. And that's why I transitioned into this, and that's why I wear this. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, man, I love you guys. Let me know y'all thoughts, man, about anything. Other than that, shout out to Quality Surveillance Systems. They're taking over the new AI generated surveillance systems that will be at your front door, at your job, wherever. And basically, in a nutshell, if anything is going on, a break-in, a robbery, a fire, a flood, it will dispatch the police, and it will dispatch the fire department. So, hey, you might want to invest. You might want to, because somebody can break into your house right now. Those cameras that you got at your house, they're not going to call the police. They're going to just record it, and guess what? They can take those cameras down, find out where you got all your information at, snatch all that stuff. You know, I'm just trying to give y'all a heads up about AI surveillance. So, shout out to Quality Surveillance Systems. I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay blessed by the best. We out.